All right, so the next option that we're going to discuss are temp and staffing agencies. And these are a good route for those who maybe don't know where to start, who aren't having luck with online applications. If you don't have success with some of the other strategies that we're going to mention, I recommend temp and staffing agencies. These agencies don't really get a cut of the salary, but a lot of times it's hardly noticeable, and you get someone who's going to work to try and employ you, right? Someone is going to work on your behalf to try and place you in a role, and they're going to know about opportunities that you probably don't know about. So this is Dallas, Texas, and the big thing to know here is I just Googled Dallas Staffing Agency. And if we look here, I can see that there are a bunch of options for staffing agencies. These are companies that will try and place you in a role. Now, if I zoom in, you'll find something interesting here. So let's just do search this area. So I'm going to click the search this area button, and I want you to see what's going to happen. Now, I can see that there's Cornerstone Staffing down here, Dream Job Staffing down here, Insight Global down here, but there's really not a whole bunch of staffing agencies in this area. I just zoomed in on the map further. So let's click search this area, and then all of a sudden I can see we've got these other staffing agencies that just popped up and appeared here. Xander Staffing, right? I mean, it looks like it might be warehouse, but maybe they have some IT guys. Warehouses need access to the internet. Focus Staff, healthcare staffing. That might not just be nurses. Maybe they're trying to find an IT guy right now for someone in a hospital system. So the big thing I want to mention here is there were staffing agencies in this geographic area that weren't even showing on the map until I clicked search this area. Okay, and Google Maps does this weird thing sometimes where it won't even it won't show you all of the options, right? So we just zoomed in further, and here we have Taurus Staffing Solutions. Now, this one doesn't look too reputable. Dalco Staffing, again, doesn't look too reputable. Quantum Recruitment Corporation, this is probably just a sole recruiter in his house here. But I want you to know that whenever you zoom in on the map, you often see more options. And there are probably hundreds of recruiting agencies in your area, especially if you live in a major city like this, like Dallas, Texas. And these are people who are hungry to place people in jobs. These are people who want to help you. They want you to reach out. And I've had success with staffing agencies in the past myself. I know other people who have had success with staffing agencies. So if you've never considered a staffing agency, then I think you'll be excited to hear this, and I think you'll be excited to see how much of a help they can be. If you've never went down this route, or if you haven't considered this route, please consider it. It could be the difference between you getting a job within the next month and you having to wait maybe another 6 months to get a job. So know that staffing agencies exist, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.